Hello. Hi. Hirap pala mag-live. It's my third time. Hindi ko kabalo mag-share. Standby lang. Uy! May isa. Is that on my back? May minutes na. afternoon. Ayun, may viewer na tayo. 1 minute to go, then we will raffle na. Please share our link, Arian. Para pag naka 100 tayo. Yun, thank you. 30 seconds, then we will start our raffle. Yan. Please share our link para marami tayong if we get 100 viewers, we'll be giving away the amount inside our canister. Okay, kahit ilan lang yung viewers ngayon, after 10 seconds, we will start our raffle. Ay, birthday pala. Happy birthday, Tamara! Tamara, it's May 1. Happy birthday! Okay. Ayan, we will now have our raffle. Yay! So first of all, I would like to thank all of you who subscribe to my channel. Yes, 1,018 na tayo. Lahat dito sa aking channel. And yun, 10 months ago, I told everyone that once I reach 1,000 subscribers, I will be giving away McDonald's secret menu. So meron na tayong tatlong nanalo last June 1, 2019. And that's Yumel Renzo and Christian, both of them are vloggers. Then we also have one from Dumaguete. He is Giselle. Si Giselle, hindi pa niya na-claim yung kanyang prize since those time hindi pa ako marunong mag-online purchase ng McDonald's. Ngayon, at least meron na tayong Grab just in case na if you are not from Iloilo, you could still get your secret menu. Now, here, yay! So for today, we'll be having 7 winners na remaining for our McDonald's secret menu. And if we reach 100 viewers for today, we will be giving away the amount inside our canister! Yeah! Ito na. So, let's start. Tinitingnan ko yung mga viewers ngayon. Yan. So, here we go for first winner. Madali lang natin ito dahil excited na ako kung sino man ang mananalo. Dun, 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 dun. Paski's channel. Congratulations, Paski's channel. He's not from Iloilo also. So, if you are watching this video, Paski's channel, please do send me a message at Rubeinspired, Ilonggo Vlogger Facebook page. Next, we have isa na. Let's see. Ara and Franco are also vloggers. So, Ara and Franco, please do send me also a message in my Facebook page. They are not also in Iloilo City. Yan. Stay safe everyone ha. Kung saan man kayong lupalop ng mundo, ng Pilipinas. Ayun. At least may idea kayo kung ano nakikita nyo diyang amount. Ayan. Let's see. Sana hindi vlogger. For our third. Oh, sino to? From Zamboanga. Val Ryan Billones. Kasama ko sa Ilonggo YouTube content creators. Congratulations, Val. Val is from Zamboanga City. Si Val have been my subscribers nung nag-umpisa ako. And until nung malapit na ang aking 1,000, nasaan na ako 997. Tapos nag-post ako sa group chat namin. Kailangan ko na lang. It started 6 ata, 6. Tapos may isa kong kasama na subscribe. Tapos siya sabi niya, sige, tulungan din kita. Yun. Thank you, Val. Let's see. Ilan na? 4 na lang. We have 3 already. Let's see who's next. Oh. Ooh, Rich Mark Halili Espinosa from Lagaw Travel on 2 wheels from Iloilo City. Rich Mark is also one of those who helped me in the last 6. So si Rich Mark, 3 ata yung entry niya dito. Kasi dami siyang account. Yun, si Arian, 2 yung account niya dito sa pag-share. Sana Arian, mabunot ko na yung pangalan mo. Yan. We are down to 3 more. 3 more. Let's see. Rich Mark, nabunot na kita. Bigay na natin to sa iba. Ito yung second channel ni Rich Mark. RM&M Creatives. Rich Mark, bigay muna natin yung secret menu sa iba, ha? Nanalo ka na kanina, eh. Okay, let's bunot again. 3 more. Yeah. Let's see. From... Ay, grabe naman si Arian. Malay mo. Joren Miko. Joren Miko is also a vlogger. Hindi ko alam kung taga saan si Joren, pero alam ko hindi siya from Iloilo. So, Joren, congratulations! You are now a winner of our Mcdo secret menu. So please do send me a message at Rubeinspired Ilonggo Vlogger Facebook page. Now we are down to last 2. Last two. Yan. Let's see. We have Kim RHM Catolico from Davao del Sur. RHM! Congratulations! Okay, let us all pray for our medical practitioners. RHM is a classmate of my Doki sister. So, si RHM ngayon ay tumutulong para sa ating mga citizens of the Philippines para i-combat itong COVID-19. I hope every one of you are safe in your houses, ha? Okay, let us now pick the last winner. So, ulitin ko sa mga bago lang. We have Paskis Channel, Ara and Franco, Val Ryan Billones, Rich Mark Halili, Joren Miko Pando, and RHM Catolico. And now, let's have the last one. The last one on the list to complete our 7 winners. We have... Ikaw na ba to? Sa'yo na ba to? Tingnan natin. Kasi Rich Mark na naman to. We have Catherine Sedano. Cathy Sedano from San Pedro, Laguna. Catherine Sedano from San Pedro, Laguna. Congratulations! Sige, Arian, kahit cheeseburger na lang. Dahil kayong pinakaunang nanood. Sige, bibigyan kita ng cheeseburger. Congratulations, Arian! For consolation prize. Ayan, cheeseburger para sa'yo, Arian. And for the rest, please send me a message in my Facebook page kung anong secret menu na gusto nyo. Paski's channel, Ara and Franco, Val Ryan Billones, Rich Mark Halili, Espinosa, Joren Miko Pando, RHM Catolico, and Catherine Sedano. So, congratulations everyone! And since hindi tayo nakaabot ng 100 viewers for today, hindi ko alam kung kailan natin ito mabubuksan. Last time, I had this canister last December. Raniel! Hindi ka, wala ka dito sa sa ating entries. Sana nakahabol ka for your entry. Ayun, I had this one last December. And ngayon, hindi pa siya nabubuksan. Malamang after ng ating ECQ kung ikot-ikot ako ng Iloilo. I don't know, baka pag-guess naman natin sa mga taga-Iloilo. Dahil ngayon, hindi tayo nakaabot ng 100, so we won't be able to reveal yung laman nito. Ayan, nakikita nyo, may mga kulay red, kulay orange, kulay ano ba yan? Parang yellow ata yan na. Rich Mark, congratulations! May violet. Marami din tayong coins. That's 5 peso coin. May 25 peso coin. Hello, Ars! Yun. So once again, congratulations to all the winners. We have, again, ulitin ko. Meron pa talaga akong cheeseburger. Wala po bang ngalarba? Tingnan natin kung magkano ba ang drinks kung cheeseburger. Titingnan natin mamaya. Hindi ka pa late hours. Pero, nandito na yung 7 winners. We have Catherine Sedano once again, RHM Catolico, Joren Miko, Rich Mark, congratulations. 2 beses kita nabunot, pero ibigay natin sa iba yung isa mong prize kasi nabunot na kita. Rich Mark Halili, please do subscribe to his channel. That's Logout Travel on 2 Wheels. Then we have Val Ryan Billones. Congratulations, Kuya Val from Zamboanga City. Ara and Franco and Paski's channel. Ayan. Siyempre naman, we have entries ours that is all around the Philippines. So, kailangan maintindihan nila tayo. R&M Creatives! Yes, congratulations! Sana R&M, nanalo ka. Kaso, kinuha na ni Rich Mark. Nilagaw ta on wheels. So, yun. So, once again, I'll see you on my next raffle. Sana we'll be able to open our canister. Naku, late ako. Okay lang. At least, nabunot yung isa mong channel, RM and M. Yun. Oo, Ars. Kung kanina ka pa nanood kasama ni Aryan, pag sabi niyang cheeseburger, siguro, pag humabol ka ng cheeseburger din ako, baka nabigyan kita. Pero ngayon, wala na. Si Aryan lang yung may cheeseburger. So, to all of you who are watching today, congratulations and thank you for joining me. And to all our winners, congratulations. Stay safe everyone in your houses. And ayun, God bless you all. Thank you for watching. Arth, baka naman may 7 na malapit. Hindi ko Arth alam. Basta I hope to see you soon, Arth. Sige everyone, thank you for watching. Bye!